Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the JUTC and how they are working on improving efficiency and accessibility. Now the JUTC is the government-owned bus service in Jamaica. It operates primarily in the Kingston metropolitan area, which is Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town. But it has recently been expanding its service to other areas. They're now going to St. Thomas, they're now going to Mandeville, they're now going to Stony Hill, but I think we're always going there to just put more buses out. So as the government gets in more buses, they are also modernizing the service of the JUTC. And for September, the government is going to be rolling out 100 school buses. Now, these buses are going to be different from the JUTC buses. So, although the government is getting in 100 additional JUTC buses, which will be open to the public, they are also getting in 100 school buses, which will be used only for students. So come September, you're going to see a drastic increase in the service of the buses in Jamaica because the JUTC buses won't have to be carrying as many students. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what the JUTC has planned. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, has taken decisive steps to enhance efficiency, improve the commuter experience, and increase accessibility and affordability. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, said, by June 2025, 100 new buses, 70 compressed natural gas, and 30 diesel coaches will be delivered to the JUTC. It is important to note that 10% of these buses will be specially made for the disabled community. Additionally, 46 mid-life buses, 16 Golden Dragon 9-meter and 30 Volvo diesel articulated are being refurbished at a cost of US $193 million and $10 million respectively, Mr. Vaz said. The minister was making his 2025-26 sectorial debate presentation in the House of Representatives. Meanwhile, as part of the government's commitment to enhancing public transportation access, the JUTC has introduced new services in underserved urban and rural communities, including Morant Bay, Yalos, Maypen, and Old Harbour. Premium and peak hour routes have also been added to support workers, students, and the general commuting public. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.